Today I'm going to teach you how to transform into her. Step 1, she is a gorgeous tan, so I'm going to use my Copacabana bronze. You guys got really mad last time when I used that on my face, so we're going to take this By Terry's brightening serum instead. Sidebar, I have a super patchy spray tan that's fading, so just ignore that till we get to the foundation. Our eyebrows are brushed straight up and sort of have a combo of that laminated microbladed vibe. I'm going to take the Patrick Ta brow lamination gel and brush that right up through my brows. Then I'm taking this NYX brow pen and I'm just drawing little hair-like strokes and cleaning them up with a lighter concealer. You guys get mad at me when I do this too, but Maybelline Dewy mixed with Armani Luminous Silk is such a beautiful foundation, so I'm going to use that for the base. Also guys, remember L'Oreal owns Lancome. A lot of times these drugstore companies, they're huge conglomerates. Remember that a lot of this luxury stuff is just good marketing. Like, this is so pretty. Took a brown shadow to my roots and started trying to emulate her straighter lower hairline. Taking contour to define and square off my jawline. For the highlight on the face, I've got under the cheekbone, I've got here in these little divots, and then heavily on the chin, leaving room right here for her chin divot. Then I placed it under the eyes in this shape to really pop out my cheekbones, and then a little bit in the forehead. I added contour on the chin, here on the cheeks up to the temples. This is really going to pop the cheekbones out even more, and then of course on the forehead. She has the most interesting nose I've done yet, so let me walk you through what I've done here. I placed my contour and highlight up higher and farther apart to try to widen my nose bridge like hers. Got contour around the tip and a diamond shape, and I brought my highlight all the way down through the center of my nose down to where it connects here to sort of emulate where she has that really prominent nose tip. She also has some very prominent nostrils, so I'm just lining mine with black liner. She liked to use a cream base on her eyes, so I'm just mixing two P. Louise paints together. I added NYX Milk to my waterline, and then I took it on this really small brush. I took it out in this corner here, just following my natural lower lash line because I want to know where to not put the dark colors. I took that same cream shade on a different liner brush, and then I went and I outlined the white. P. Louise Going Solo palette to set that cream base. Wet n Wild bronzer on a big brush, and I'm just taking that through my crease and flicking it up at the brow tips. And I took a gel liner and carefully lined around the top and bottom and made sure to leave out our white space. Use a clumpy mascara and go heavy on your bottom lashes. Applied Ardell Naked Lashes. When you place your lashes, you're going to want to put the lash band along this black part and avoid the white part, and really clamp down on your outer lashes so that they don't droop over your white space. The blush on her skin looks super natural in that scene, so I'm just using this By Terry blush. I want to do her super nude lips, so I'm taking this pink liner and I'm trying to create a really sharp Cupid's bow, but also not overlining my top lip because mine's already a little bit larger than Sophia's. Went over that with my favorite nude. Also, somehow this nude lipstick makes her teeth look super white. Tower 28 clear gloss to top it off. This makeup would be so pretty for a holiday party. Added my towel, and here's the final look. Let me know who you want to see next. Bye!